Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change beep volume for your speaker QCY SP7. You have to start by open QCY application, and of course you need to add your speaker to the app. Then you will see the same menu. You need to go to the settings at the middle top. You can click on it or just swipe. And at the second line we have beep volume. Click at this line, and right here we have four options: minimum volume, medium, high volume and maximum volume. So tap at the best one for you. Let's say I want a medium volume, and now we just select it. So you're gonna go back right here. As you can see, we use a medium volume. You can select something else, it's up to you. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!